Welcome to today's video on robotic machinery. In this episode, you'll dive straight into intense scenes of powerful machines in action, taking on risky tasks and pushing their limits. From dramatic maneuvers to close calls, this video captures it all. Buckle up and enjoy the adrenaline-packed journey. Sudden slip, out of control on ice. Just one wrong move and disaster strikes. But suddenly, disaster. In a split second, it tips and crashes over, rocks tumbling everywhere. A perfect teamwork. Excavator and bulldozer unite to rescue a truck trapped in the mud, racing against time. The roller barrels down, mercilessly crushing the car under its immense weight. The massive crane lifts the heavy concrete beam, but with every inch, the tension builds. Will it hold? The pressure is rising. Landing a fighter jet on an aircraft carrier, no easy feat. Every approach is a battle, and perfection isn't achieved in one try. The tension is palpable as the jet fights for control. A massive crane lifts heavy equipment over the water, but something seems off. The tension builds as it sways under the load. What will happen next? Amidst snow and rain, the giant dump truck's wheels spin helplessly on the icy ground. Will it break free from the slippery trap? Something unexpected happens. Sparks appear and tension fills the air. What's about to unfold? On a stunning beach scene, a massive excavator powers forward, working to pull its trapped counterpart from the clutches of the sand. Heavy machinery meets raw nature. Will it succeed in the rescue? above the deep pit, a heavy excavator dangles as it's hoisted up, when suddenly the cable snaps. In a heart-stopping moment, the machine begins its plunge.
Oh, shit! Oh, Jesus! Lord Jesus, oh shit!
In perfect sync, 3 to 4 excavators join forces, lifting and shifting massive boulders with precision. It's a powerful display of teamwork and raw strength. Will they handle the load? Black smoke billows covering the vehicle as it fights to stay operational. What's about to happen next? The crane lifts. Then, out of nowhere, it snaps in half. What caused this unexpected disaster? 4 powerful tractors team up, working in unison to pull a massive hay bale across the field. The strength of teamwork is put to the test. The roofs of the cars and everything inside are torn apart in an instant. The damage is catastrophic. Roller is stuck, buried deep in the sand. Rescue teams rush in, but will they manage to pull it out in time? Without that rescue ramp, it's hard to imagine the disaster that could unfold. A split-second decision that could mean everything. Moment and the chaos begins. With expert precision, the truck drifts through the snowy curve and slides perfectly into the garage. A true display of control. It looks like we're watching tractors dancing tango. A twist of fate. heavy loaded truck tilts dangerously, lifting its front end off the ground. Slowly, it begins to slide backward, fighting to stay upright. The excavator rushed in, struggling through the mud to free the truck. Every powerful push brings it closer to freedom. The tractor hurtled down the slope, dragging large logs behind it, but the weight of the towering trees proved too great. Suddenly, the tractor spun out of control. One wrong move and it's too late. The crane topples, crashing into the sea. Welcome to the seamless performance of power and precision, brought to you by the formidable duo from Volvo. Specially designed auxiliary leg, the bulldozer pushes itself free from the tough terrain, showcasing its sheer adaptability and strength. With unmatched skill, the excavator rises, effortlessly reaching the truck bed. No help needed. stunning display of precision and control. Sudden shift, chaos erupts as the entire structure begins to tremble, threatening to come crashing down in a moment of sheer devastation.